Every finance video right now promises the same dream. Type a prompt into a robot and watch the money roll in while you sleep. Here is what actually happens when normal people try that. Most of them lose the small amount they started with, and the only person who got rich was the guy selling the course. So let me give you the honest version, the one nobody makes money by telling you. Can you build wealth from zero using AI? Yes, but not the way the adverts say. The magic is real, but it is slow and boring, and it does not care about your prompts. Let me draw it out. First, we need to kill a lie. The lie is that AI is a money printer. It is not. AI is a tool like a spanner or a spreadsheet. A spanner does not fix your car while you nap. It helps a person who is already turning the bolt. Same with these clever robots. They multiply effort you already have. They do not create effort from nothing. So if you start with zero skill, zero audience, and zero money, the AI multiplies zero. And 0 times anything is still 0. Here is the part that is actually true, and it is better than the fantasy. AI lowers the cost of learning to almost nothing. 10 years ago, if you wanted to build a website, you paid someone hundreds of pounds. Now you can ask a chatbot to teach you step by step for free. That is the real gift. Not free money, but free skill. And skill is the thing that pays you for the rest of your life. Think about the 3 ways ordinary people build wealth. 1, they earn more. 2, they spend less than they earn. 3, they invest the gap so it grows. AI can help with all 3, but only if you do the work in the middle. Let me show you each one. Earning more. Say you have a normal job. You can use AI to learn a side skill in your evenings. Writing, coding, design, editing. Things people pay for. The robot becomes your free tutor and your practice partner. You still have to practice. You still have to be bad before you are good. But the ladder is right there, and it costs you nothing but time. Spending less. This one is quiet but powerful. You can ask AI to check your monthly bills, spot the subscriptions you forgot, and draft the emails to cancel them. It can compare 2 phone contracts in seconds. Saving 40 pounds a month sounds small. Over a year, that is nearly 500 pounds. That 500 is your first bit of investing money pulled out of thin air by paying attention. Now the third one, and this is where wealth actually lives. Investing the gap. Here is the boring truth the gurus hate. You do not need a genius AI to invest well. You need patience and a low-cost index fund. AI can explain what an index fund is, what an ISA is, and how compound growth works. But once you understand it, the winning move is almost embarrassingly simple. Put money in every month. Leave it alone. Let time do the heavy lifting. A robot cannot rush time. Nobody can. Let me draw the compound bit because it is the real magic. Imagine you invest 100 pounds a month. You do not touch it. Over decades, the growth starts earning its own growth. The snowball rolls downhill and gets fat on its own. That is not an AI trick. That is just math, and it has worked for 100 years. The AI just helped you understand it and stay calm when the market wobbles. So where do the scams hide? Watch for 3 red flags. First, anyone promising guaranteed returns from an AI trading bot. Markets are not guaranteed, ever, and a bot that could beat everyone would not be sold to you for 99 pounds. Second, courses that charge a fortune to teach you what a free chatbot explains for nothing. Third, anything that says do nothing and get rich. Wealth from zero always costs something. Usually it costs your time and your patience up front. Here is the honest map. Use AI as a free teacher to learn a skill. Use that skill to earn a little extra. Use the robot again to trim your spending. Then take that gap, small as it is, and invest it steadily in something boring and cheap. Repeat for years, not weeks. That is the whole game. It is not exciting enough to go viral, which is exactly why it works. Let me leave you with the one line that matters. AI cannot make you rich, but it can make the road to wealth cheaper, clearer, and faster to walk. The walking is still yours to do. So your takeaway for today, pick one skill this week and ask a free AI tool to teach you the first lesson. Just the first. Not a course, not a bot, not a promise. One free lesson tonight. That single step is worth more than every get-rich prompt on the internet. If this cut through the noise for you, subscribe and let us keep drawing money simple together.